Stop blaming your noisy knuckles. Science says it's not what you think. Time to find out what's really going on. Let's get popping. Here's the deal, cracking your knuckles doesn't actually crack your bones. That sound? It's just bubbles popping in the fluid around your joints. Scientists have studied people who crack their knuckles for decades, and guess what? They found zero link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. In fact, one doctor even cracked his knuckles on one hand for 60 years, and both hands turned out just fine. But hold on, if you feel pain, swelling, or your joints get stuck, that's a different story. Cracking should never hurt. So next time someone scolds you for popping your knuckles, hit them with the facts. It might annoy them, but it's not giving you arthritis. Myth busted. Hungry for more science snacks? Hit that subscribe and keep your brain popping.